What's up, everybody? It was my birthday today, so for my birthday I got some presents. Right here. My father got me this Nazi aircraft because he knows how much I love fascism. The guy who sold it even included a nice swastika picture. It's a Focke-Wulf German Luftwaffe, so it says. And here I got a thing about tying knots. And I also got a book about phrenology, which is nice. But what I really got that was really good is this. This is a Fat Boys picture disc, pizza disc. It is a picture disc printed, not printed, but pressed, I guess, with the image of a pepperoni pizza upon it. I already started opening it a little bit, but I'll open the rest for now, for right now. This is fantastic. It opens right there. Look upon this. It's got a little Fat Boys book. All the Fat Boys information you could ever desire. It is wonderful. And you see this is the bottom of it, which is the bottom of the pizza. As you can see, here's the top. As a vegetarian, I very much enjoy anything that has images of greasy meat on it. It's very wonderful. Let me see if I can play this right now. Set this down. For only a short while. I have a cheap record player. No, wait, it's nothing. Just put this right here. Alright. Skip around a little bit. Well, there you have it.